You just drove off the lot. New car smell. You feel absolutely amazing. But the moment your tires hit the street, it lost $5,000. By the time you get home, you already owe more than it's worth. Welcome to the biggest financial trap in modern America, the brand new car. In 2026, the average new car payment is $750 a month. That's $9,000 a year just for the privilege of driving new. Today, we break down exactly why this decision is destroying your financial future. Stay to the end. We'll show you exactly what to buy instead. Let's start with the number nobody at the dealership wants you to know. A new car loses 20 to 30% of its value in the first year. On a $40,000 car, that's $8,000 to $12,000. Gone. Not because anything broke, not because you crashed it, just because time passed. This is called depreciation, and it is the most expensive thing about any new car. By year 5, your car has lost 50 to 60% of its original value. You paid $40,000. It's now worth $16,000. You absorbed the entire loss. Every new car owner takes this hit, every single time. No exceptions whatsoever. The person who buys your used car in 3 years, they skip this entirely. They buy at the bottom of the depreciation curve. You paid for the entire fall. Now let's calculate what a new car actually costs you per month. Total cost. Start with the payment, $750 per month. That's just your base. Add full coverage insurance. New cars require it. That's another $250. Add registration, taxes, and fees. Roughly $60 per month when averaged out. Add gas. The average American spends $200 per month on fuel. Add maintenance, oil changes, tires, brakes, about $80 per month, averaged yearly. Total monthly cost of your new car, over $1,300 every single month. That's $15,600 per year just to have one car. Over a 6-year loan period, you will spend over $90,000 total on a car that started at $40,000. You paid more than double. Now let's talk about how dealerships make sure you never see the real numbers. Trap 1, the monthly payment focus. They ask, what can you afford per month? Never answer that question. It is a trap. Always negotiate the total price first. When you focus on monthly payments, they extend the loan to make it fit. A $40,000 car over 84 months sounds like just $500, but 84 months is 7 years. You'll still be paying when the car falls apart. Trap 2, 0% APR. Sounds amazing, but read the fine print carefully. 0% APR usually means you give up the cashback rebate. Do the math first. Trap 3, the add-ons. Extended warranty, paint protection, gap insurance, fabric coating. These add-ons cost $2,000 to $5,000 extra dollars. They are almost pure dealer profit. Let me show you 2 people. Same income, completely different car choices. Alex buys a brand new $42,000 SUV. Monthly payment, $800. Alex feels great. New car smell, heated seats, Apple CarPlay. Everyone notices at work. But Alex cannot max his Roth IRA this year. The payment is simply too high. And Alex cannot build an emergency fund. Everything is too tight every single month. In 5 years, Alex's car is worth $18,000. He still owes $14,000. Meanwhile, Chris buys a 3-year-old certified pre-owned version of the exact same SUV. Chris pays $22,000. Lower payment, lower insurance, same exact features inside. Chris invests the difference, $600 per month, directly into index funds, automatically. In 25 years, Chris's investment account has grown to over $500,000. Let's make this opportunity cost math absolutely undeniable. $750 a month. That is your new car payment. Now let's see what it becomes if invested instead. $750 a month for 30 years at 8% annual return. That is $1,132,000 sitting in index funds. You didn't just buy a car, you sold your millionaire status for new car smell. Even at 20 years, that same investment would be $440,000. The new car doesn't just cost you the payment, it costs you future compound growth. Every dollar spent on depreciation is a dollar that will never compound for you, ever. Okay, so what should you actually do? Here's the honest and boring answer. Rule 1. Never buy a car you cannot pay cash for. That's the ideal standard. Most people cannot follow Rule 1 yet, so here's Rule 2 for now. Follow the 24-10 rule. 20% down, no more than a 4-year loan, and total car costs should never exceed 10% of your monthly take-home pay. If you take home $4,000 a month, your total car costs max at $400. Rule 3. Buy certified pre-owned. 2 to 3 years old. Someone else took the depreciation hit. The car is the same, the features are the same, the price is 30% lower. Rule 4. Keep your car for 10 years minimum. Depreciation stops hurting after year 3. The longer you keep it, the cheaper it gets per year. Boring, mathematically brilliant. The wealthiest people I know drive paid-off cars, not because they cannot afford new ones, because they understand what that payment actually costs them over an entire lifetime. Every month you drive a paid-off car is a month you are investing in your future. The new car is a choice, so is financial freedom. You cannot always have both. If this changed how you see your next car purchase, subscribe. New video every week. See you next week. Drive something boring. Build something real.